Awesome. We are ready to set up our slide and start making our landing page. So I'm going to start by going up here to Google Apps and choosing slides. That's where we'll build everything, and that's why it's Google Chrome. It just makes everything so much easier. So we're going to start with a blank presentation. And you can see when it comes up here, it has a title page, and we don't need this title page. We just need a blank canvas. We want just a blank slide so we can start putting all of our cool classroom stuff in it. So there's bunches of different ways to do this, but I just like to go into slide, apply layout, and I'm going to choose blank. So now I've got this blank canvas, but I need to be able to insert things. So I need to set it up so it will accept the things I'm putting in it. So I'm just going to click up here in the top left-hand corner and just drag. And this is just going to make my slide ready for me to put things in it. So there I go. I've got my slide ready to go. And the thing that's most important in putting things into your virtual classroom is to remember the word transparent. So every image that you look for, you're going to use the word transparent because that's going to make it look like it's real sitting in your classroom and it looks like it's supposed to, and not that you have all these different backgrounds with different images competing with each other. So I need to insert an image, and the first thing I need to do is to insert my background. So get ready, because this is where it starts to be super fun. So I'm going to insert an image, and I'm going to search the web. So over here, I have this toolbar that I can search for images, and I'm going to use that word, transparent, as my first word always. And the first thing I want is a background, but specifically I want floor and walls. So I'm going to click here, and I've got lots of different choices. Okay, so I want these to be transparent. You don't always get transparent images when you put transparent there. So you might have to look through a little bit to find some things. That one might work. That could work. That could be fun. Let's try this one. So I'm just going to select that and then insert it into my slide. Okay, it's little, so I'm going to drag it. It's going to fill up the whole slide here. So there I go. I've got my walls. Got a nice window. Wouldn't you like to have that nice window in your classroom? So there is your background. You've created your slide. You've cleaned it up. You've made a blank canvas. You have found your walls and your floor. And if you want to just look, if you want to play around just a little bit. We can try a couple other ones just to see what they will look like. And you can certainly find images other places and use them there. There's one that would work. There's lots of them here. This is kind of a cool one. Let's try this. So if you change your mind, that's cool. Let's minimize this. Click on that and delete that. And let's make this bigger. I like this one better. Okay, so there I go. I've got my floor. I've got my walls, and I even have a little, I could use this like a whiteboard. So that's how simple it is. You just need to remember to make your canvas blank and then add that word transparent when you're looking for your floor and walls. So in the next session, we're going to start putting furniture in your classroom. So I'll see you soon.